Thanks to their high-def LCD and OLED screens, modern TVs are much more delicate than those sturdy boxes from the 80s and 90s, which means cleaning them requires some extra effort. Here's how to polish those panels without accruing any damage. Before you get started, turn off and unplug the TV. Not only will this help it to cool down, making cleaning a much safer process, but it will also make it much easier to see smudges, streaks, and dirt. Check your owner's manual to see if there are any cleaning instructions specific to the TV you own too. But if you didn't hold on to that, no worries. Simply check the manufacturer's website where you'll typically find instructions. If your television didn't come with the type of cloth you need for cleaning, pick up a microfiber cloth. Use this to wipe in gentle, circular motions across the surface of the screen. If you're having trouble with a difficult smudge or spot, try using a solution of very mild dish soap that is heavily diluted with water. Spray a bit on a cloth, never directly on the screen, rub it gently across the problem area, and then wipe away any residual dampness. A word of warning: never use glass cleaners or other harsh chemicals on these screens. Finally, go after the vents. You can use a regular duster or the soft brush attachment of your vacuum. Gently go over the vents on the back of the television to remove dust. Finish off with a spritz of compressed air in the ports, then use your dry cloth to wipe off any dust that comes out. What's your advice for cleaning electronics? Be sure to drop a comment below and stay tuned to Lifehacker for more tips and tricks on how to do everything better.